right, good morning. Check this out here. This is a Santa Fe XRT, our off-road version of the Santa Fe. This is our first one, so check it out. So right away, you're gonna notice the different fascias all the way around and the black grille, black wheels. Does have running boards and a considerably different lower fascia. It does have the roof rack on it. This is called Hampton Grey, which is a new color. I think it looks awesome in the sun. You'll also notice the rear fascia is different. This one does have factory remote start. They've made some improvements to the remote start as well. It will flash the light 3 times to let you know that it's running, but it will not constantly flash like the previous versions when you were using the Blue Link feature. And then once you walk up to the vehicle, you can put your hand in the door handle, hop in and sit down, and you'll notice you are in drive mode. It's going to be very similar in equipment to an SEL. So it does have your heated seats, your push button shifting, so reverse, backup camera, drive, park, the ability to pull up your backup camera with a button, your heated seats, your multi-mode all-wheel drive system with your comfort, your sport, your snow, and your smart driving features. Have a wireless charging station right there, so you can just set your phone in it and it will show you right here whether it's charging or not. Get a good look at the running boards, assist steps, big back seat like all the Santa Fe's do have. This one does have 2 USB charging ports in the back along with rear heat vents. You also have your side shades on both sides. And of course, a power lift gate just like an SEL. Power release, second row, you can flip down. And of course, you've got your cargo cover, which you can take out and stuff right down here if you like. Jack equipment, wheel locks, and then of course under seat storage in the back. Lots of room there. This one happens to have a cargo net and a first aid kit as your extra accessories.